Another quick video. We have the RockJock Driveshaft carrier bearing spacer or drop kit for the Jeep Gladiator. Planning on installing this because I have a little bit of driveline vibrations that is starting to come from, I think, the lift. I have a 3.5 inch lift. 3.5 inch Clayton lift, and I put the control arms extended just a hair because at first when I installed this lift, I was getting a little bit of bow in the springs. It's hard to tell. You can see it just a hair. They still bend a little bit. They're just really heavy duty springs. So within that frame notch and the perch, kind of how they sit, unless I really just jack up the rear to straighten them out and make the drive shaft angle terrible, I'm gonna basically just avoid doing that and give this little bearing drop kit we'll give it a try. So the install is gonna be pretty easy. Gonna undo this bolt, one on the other side. We're gonna pop it down. The spacer's gonna go in, and it's gonna drop us like 3/4 of an inch, something like that. And then also the little kit comes with replacement hardware, so we'll pop those in. So hopefully once that's in, the driveline vibrations will be gone or almost gone to where I don't get wheel hop. I am pretty loaded down with the 10 on the top as well as the RSI smart cap, but we'll see if this fixes it. 16 millimeter. Sure, I could use my impact, but you know what? I'm not doing that. So we'll just speed the video up. See? That wasn't so bad. Alright, so is that gonna be okay? Maybe. Comes with a lock washer. All right. One more. Second one. I can see where an impact would help, but it's in the toolbox, so whatever. Just gonna snug it a little bit. We'll check it, make sure everything's even. Should be fine. It's going in the same holes. All right, I like it. is. This probably took, I don't know, 3 minutes to install between setting this camera up and actually taking the video and doing the work. I will drive it around, you know, see if I actually feel a difference, or, you know, if there's not one, maybe this part will help on things I can't feel. But so the bit of video I had to finish out the install actually got deleted, so it's been a while since I was editing that video, and I probably put, I don't know, 800 miles on the Jeep. That includes with a hitch, bike rack, and 2 bikes on it, and some more stuff in the bed. And I think this has helped get rid of the vibrations I was having that you could feel under heavy load, or like getting onto the highway, or, you know, pulling out through an intersection. But yeah, this install went well, super easy, and I think the part's well worth the couple bucks you spend just for that extra bit of reassurance. But awesome, thanks for watching.